Hi everyone, I'm Chris Stevens from Parkland College Collision Repair here in Champaign, Illinois. And today we're going to talk about rejuvenating a headlamp. As you can see, this one is very dingy, and there's some quick steps that I can show you that's fairly inexpensive to freshen this up. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clean it with a little bit of glass cleaner. Get some of the dirt off. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to take a regular sander, and you can do this by hand. It doesn't necessarily have to be with a sander. But this is 3000 grit, what's called Trizact sandpaper. And very, very fine grit sandpaper, and we are going to run over the top of this headlamp with this sandpaper. You can see I've protected the surrounding areas. Just any kind of tape will work if you have some at home, just to protect those areas. And I'm not going to go over the whole thing, but I want to give you an idea of the finish. So it basically dulls out and takes most of that debris and some of that dulled out area away. So you should have this kind of a low gloss look. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and we will re-clean this. And then that's when we're going to apply the 3M. It's a quick headlamp clear coat. And one packet of this will work for one headlamp. So what they suggest is when you open this, even though it's folded up, you don't unfold it. You leave it folded. And as you make the application, you just want to do sweeping motions. You don't want to rub this in. You want to run over the surface like so in one linear movement, and you don't want to come back over it until it dries. So that'll be one application. You could lay this down and then come back. It takes about 5 minutes or so to put another coat on. I'm doing about 2 to 3 coats on this, and it seems to be working very, very well. And you can see already how much, and I just did a really quick sand. You could sand this a little deeper, and to show you the difference here of a before and after outside of what you can see, we did on this side half the headlamp, and this has got 3 coats on it, and this was our before. So really works well to completely rejuvenate and saves you from buying, in some cases, new headlamps. And that's it. It's very quick, simple. And look for more videos to come. We're going to do some more how-tos on some different types of repairs on a vehicle. Thanks for watching.